So this is the tram station in Puerto de Sóller.
We are going from Puerto de Sóller to Sóller using wooden tram. Wow, what an adventure! The tram is just arriving to collect us. Hello. Oh, it's quite small one. Yeah. Good. Like the leading tram is going away, and we are left with just with one tram. But maybe he's just moving in the front. Now we are going to connect leading tram to
The
the
front
second
tram
wagon.
to connect the other coach.
Oh wow.
Okay, we are going to use vintage tram to Sóller from Port de Sóller. So this is inside the tram,
Oh.
the vintage tram.
Look at this one. Can you open it?
Unusual.
Indeed. Okay, and you can go outside over there. Okay. Good, and we are going to stay here outside.
So we are leaving Puerto de Sóller to Sóller inside this vintage tram, and the view of the beach.
Hello. Nice to be on a train.
Mana?
Let me go. Hello. Nice to see you. Cyclist going next to us. It's our train. Okay. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Outside the train. Oh, very good. And beautiful bay. Oh, now you can see everything what you need to see. Why we came here. Puerto de Sóller. To see all the sea, beautiful houses. Just beautiful. Look at this.
Yeah, come back.
Uh-huh. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, the view is just smashing. Just what we need. Well, can you see something in here? Well, you cannot see it now. Okay. Tram to Sóller from Puerto to Sóller. So, oh, well, good. Can you see orange trees yet? Lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon tree right next to our
Orange from Sóller.
orange. It's so big.
Passing by Hotel Tram Sóller.
Welcome to Sóller.
So we arrived in the town of Sóller. And now we are approaching the Plaza Constitution.
Oh, there's a church over there. Oh. Oh, it's closing. Well. Okay, so let's walk around it now, please.
Thank you. Thank you, gracias. So, I'm now at the train station, Ferrocarril de Sóller, and this is the train station looks like, and there is a statue
No,
here,
it's a
nice
fan,
statue.
not a statue.
And you can see the back of the church,
Uh-huh.
San Bartholomew, in the background. And this is the building near the train station.
And mountains, high mountains.
And the Serra di Tramontana at the back.
Palma. San Francisco.